biryani to.
With mutton, with the beef, with the chicken. We got grilled chicken as well, grill. You know the grill one.
Ada
This one,
biryani
come and show you.
Asad Bukhara. Subukan natin dito sa ano, bagong bukas na Indian food. Open na open. Bibili ako ng pagkain. Mother, what kind of food? Best food for me.
Barbecue,
Huh?
rice,
Rice,
pulao, biryani,
biryani.
chai.
Huh? Mother, food for me. Filipino.
For Filipino,
For
yeah.
Filipino.
We got Filipino food. Maybe we're going to start. This is new place,
No.
new restaurant. But we got chicken adobo. Filipino chicken adobo is the one.
But
We got white chicken.
for this kind of
We got,
biryani,
mutton,
biryani.
biryani. We got Peshawari kabuli pulao, mutton kadai, beef
Biryani.
laham,
Laham.
beef. We got mutton.
Ah.
We got adas. We got chicken tandoori,
Okay.
chicken kadai, mutton kadai.
Okay, give me biryani.
Yeah,
One biryani.
yeah,
One what I call this?
Mutton
Mutton.
kadai.
Mutton.
yeah, mutton kadai. Yes. Mutton, yes.
Mutton.
Kabayan, this rice, this good barbecue Filipino. This land very good.
Biryani. Two biryani. Two biryani.
Yes.
What then mutton? Mutton. Ito yung pagkain. Full. Maybe half.
How many people? This is for one person.
Four people.
4 people.
Aywa.
4 people you can eat 4. Half. One person can eat 1.
Una suya.
No problem. 2 is enough.
Maybe two.
2. This one 2.
Aywa, this one.
This barbecue.
Barbecue.
Nus paham.
Ba din ada tani.
Where this rice.
How about this one? This one, Mudir.
Yeah, kadai.
Huh?
Yeah, it's good.
Good?
Yeah.
Ada one.
1 this
Aywa.
and 2 this.
Okay.
You want
Triple G cargo? Ainta?
Yes.
Aywa.
Before Mashal, Fitini.
Triple G cargo.
Ada
What name ada?
Felix cargo.
Felix.
Felix cargo. Triple J. Global
cargo.
Good much.
Ainta siya colder?
No, it's working.
Only
This my friend is a restaurant.
Okay. Are you working here?
Yeah. No, this is my friend.
This your friend. Okay. Pakistani,
This is Pakistani.
Pakistani restaurant. Papakita natin yung ano. Ha?
this one I give you more.
Okay, it's very good. What you call
Mutton kadai.
mutton fry?
Yeah.
Mutton fry.
And this one sweet.
And this one
Sweet dish for tomorrow.
Ito yung mga handa nila. Bitchan video na?
Paham.
This one? Barbecue, Chicken barbecue, Aywa. So, okay.
I don't give the small one. I give you the big one
Ako
for 25 discount.
Okay, syukran ha. Maybe alatol na yun.
Yeah, that's why I give you.
Aywa.
Always coming. No problem.
Two piece ha? Only two. Tinapay, meron tayong tinapay na ano. Aywa, okay siya. Syukran. Kam gulo.
Tanto 15. 65.
Ha? Ito na yung nabili natin na ano.
Sibreo takeda, chamachi takeda. Sibreo takeda takeda.
Maya chiga gite mo diwani. Orasam real dia to kana ma chenera.
Kam gulo na.
Are kya to kani sab dosho.
Yung nabili natin. Magbabayad na tayo. Bagong bukas ito. 3 araw pa lang daw silang nagbukas. Kaya ano. Pero masarap ang pagkain nila rito. Bumili ako ng chicken saka moton. Sarap yung moton nito dito.
Sushi.
Na restaurant. Hari. Ay, yun, ito na yung nabili kong ano, moton, chicken barbecue, saka tinapay. I-upload ko to sa YouTube.